Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, a form of digital or virtual currency that operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology. Here's a comprehensive overview. What is Bitcoin? Well, let's break it down. First, digital currency. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it operates without a central authority like a government or financial institution. Transactions are peer-to-peer and verified by network nodes through cryptography. Next, blockchain technology. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which is a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. This ledger is distributed across all participants in the network, ensuring transparency and security. And finally, creation. Bitcoin was created in 2008 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The network went live in 2009. How does Bitcoin work? Let's dive in. First up, mining. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems to add new blocks to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees. Then Bitcoin transactions are sent from one user's wallet to another. These transactions are broadcast to the Bitcoin network and confirmed through mining. And lastly, wallets. A Bitcoin wallet is a software application where Bitcoins are stored. Wallets have private keys that are used to sign transactions, proving ownership of the Bitcoins being spent. Let's talk about the value and use cases of Bitcoin. First, price, volatility. Bitcoin's value is highly volatile and is determined by supply and demand on exchanges. It has experienced significant price fluctuations since its creation, often influenced by market sentiment, regulation, and adoption. Next, store of value, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin is seen by some as a store of value, similar to precious metals. Its limited supply of 21 million coins makes it scarce. Then, medium of exchange. While it was originally intended to be a medium of exchange for everyday transactions, its volatility has made it more popular as an investment asset. However, some merchants do accept Bitcoin as payment. And finally, remittances and cross-border payments. Bitcoin is used for remittances and cross-border payments, especially in regions with unstable currencies or restrictive financial systems. Four advantages of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not controlled by any single entity, making it resistant to censorship and government interference. This decentralization is one of its core strengths. The blockchain ensures all transactions are transparent and immutable, meaning they cannot be altered once recorded. This transparency and security are crucial for building trust in the system. Anyone with an internet connection can access Bitcoin, making it inclusive, especially for the unbanked or underbanked populations. This global accessibility is a game changer for many people around the world. 5. Challenges and criticisms. Bitcoin's network can handle only a limited number of transactions per second, leading to issues like high transaction fees and slow processing times during peak demand. This scalability problem is a significant hurdle. Bitcoin mining is energy-intensive, leading to environmental concerns due to the large amount of electricity required to power the network. This energy consumption is a hot topic in discussions about Bitcoin's sustainability. Governments around the world have varied responses to Bitcoin, ranging from acceptance and regulation to outright bans. The regulatory landscape is still evolving, which adds another layer of complexity. While the Bitcoin network itself is secure, users can fall victim to hacks, scams, and theft, especially if they do not properly secure their private keys. These security risks are a major concern for many potential users. 6. Bitcoin's impact and future. Bitcoin has the potential to provide financial services to people who lack access to traditional banking systems. This financial inclusion could transform lives in underserved communities. Bitcoin has paved the way for the broader cryptocurrency market and the development of blockchain technology, which has applications beyond just digital currencies. This digital economy is rapidly evolving. Increasingly, institutional investors, companies, and even governments are showing interest in Bitcoin, which could drive its mainstream adoption. This institutional adoption is a significant milestone. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, and depends on factors like technological advancements, regulatory changes, and market dynamics. Some believe it could become a global reserve currency, while others see it as a speculative bubble. The future prospects are indeed fascinating to ponder. In summary, Bitcoin is a pioneering digital currency that has introduced a new paradigm in finance. Despite its challenges, it continues to grow in popularity and influence, with potential implications for the global financial system.